I mean, I couldn't have coordinated this any better.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and I've had to apologize to PacSun lately because they've actually been a gem in picking up Fear of God essentials items. It wasn't always that way in the past, but I understand hype has died down. The resellers have kind of moved on, and I really do appreciate that. And I'm sure a lot of us do, because it allows us to pick up the things we want, drop by Jerry, and they are dropped at a rather high cadence right now. So trust me, even I don't go after every single drop. Other things in life come up, whether it's shoes, other clothes, trips, just life in general. We're adults, we have bills to pay. So I don't even go for everything now, but a sale is a sale, a deal is a deal. And I participated in that 50% off via PacSun before I took off to California. And so those items arrived, I'm not even kidding you, the morning my plane took off, that's when they arrived, okay? And I think like the next day. So we have the shirt and just 2 pairs of sweatpants. That's all I got. So I picked up the shirt in the seafoam colorway, and yes, it matches so well with the Joe Fresh Goods 993 Sage. Like, I really could not have coordinated that any better. It matches extremely well with this pair right here. But in terms of just the shirt, so I got my normal size, which is a small. So I get a small. Now I will say this, the cut on this, the sleeves, it just feels like there is not as much room, I guess, right under here. In terms of your armpit, it's a little bit more restricted, right? Like, you don't have the whole freedom of going up, I would say, lateral. If you're doing like lateral raises, you don't. It's a little different there in the cut, but I still went with my same size small, and for size reference, I'm 5'6". So this is equivalent to me buying a medium in a men's Adidas shirt or a Nike shirt or New Balance. So that's just to give you guys kind of an idea. And then for the sweats, so one of them I really got just because I love the color, and it was on sale. It was half off, it was $45, but it's not my typical size. So normally I get a size small in the sweatpants. Yes, the sizes for bottoms I think are more true to size versus the t-shirts or the tops. They tend to be very oversized. The half zips, which we don't see anymore, but the nylon half zips, those were so oversized. Like, an extra small is still a boxier cut on me, and I appreciate it, but just know the tops tend to be oversized. The bottoms tend to be true to size. Hopefully that helps you out. So for the top, I went with the small. For the bottoms, I have pistachio and I have oak. So in pistachio, I went with my normal size small. And on that, we got the old print. So essentials, Fear of God, small underneath, on the leg, and it's in 3M. So I really appreciate the older style there. For the oak pants, it's the newer flock design for the application on the leg. However, I went with the medium in that. Again, it's 50% off. They were only $45. They'll just be super cozy sweats that I throw on when I really want the baggier aesthetic, and I am very much so okay with that. So if you guys have seen other videos, I have oak also in the nylon pants that drop, so the newer pants that have the zipper at the bottom. I have those, and then pistachio, I didn't have anything that was pistachio, actually. I think I thought about going back maybe on Feature or even on Essence to pick it up, but nonetheless, I have it now. So to get 3 items, I think total it came to $110, and then tax like $117. That's amazing, and I will always go up for that, even though again I am having a few seats right now. But the end of October was amazing, and I added to the collection, and a lot of you seem to have done that as well. Maybe you didn't know about the sale. I tried to post it everywhere, from Twitter at _talkswithtj to Instagram at talks.with.tj, and of course here on the community tab, so you guys were able to participate in the sale. For some of you, it was your first item. You weren't up for paying full price for a t-shirt. You're like, hey, I don't want to pay $45, but $20 maybe, or $25, yeah, I'll do that. I don't blame you. So a lot of you probably picked up your first hoodie, sweatpants, t-shirt, shorts, jacket, whatever. The deals were there to be had, and I'm happy if I was able to help anyone secure that for the first time. So again, just a short look at the items I got in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and enjoy whatever items you picked up. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.